Welcome into the UPSC IAS Preliminary Question Paper discussion. Today we are discussing question paper of UPSC Preliminary 2024 D. Question number 3. Here is a list of political parties and their leaders. In one column, the name of political parties are given. In second column, the name of their leaders are given. We have to check how many of the above are correctly matched. Whether it is 1, 2, etc. That means we need to check, was Shyama Prasad Mukherjee leader of Bharatiya Janasangh? Was C. Rajagopalachari leader of Socialist Party? So on. Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee founded the Bharatiya Janasangh in 1951. It existed from 1951 till 1977. So, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee was the founder of Bharatiya Janasangh. So, pair 1 is correctly matched. The Congress Socialist Party. Now next about Congress Socialist Party was founded in 1934 by Jayaprakash Narayan, Ram Manohar Lohia, Acharya Narendra Deva. Rajagopalachari hadn't any role in the formation of Socialist Party. So pair second is not correctly matched. Now, the Congress for Democracy. That was an Indian political party founded in 1977 by Jagjeevan Ram. So, it is the pair 3 is correctly matched. It was formed after Jagjeevan Ram, Hemavati Nandan Bahuguna and Nandini Saptati left the INC of Indira Gandhi and denounced her rule during the Indian emergency. So here also the pair 3 is correctly matched. It was founded by Jagjeevan Ram. Now about Swatantra Party. It was established in 1959 and by leaders who were against the Congress government socialist policies. So there were some leaders who were against the Congress government socialist policies and they established Swatantra Party in 1959. The leaders, notable leaders of that era such as Rajagopalachari, Minu Masini and J. Ranka. And they come together to establish a party that embraced liberal conservative values. So the party advocated for a market-driven economy and the abolishment of license rights. So here, part 4 is not correctly matched. So Bharatiya Janasangh, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, it's correctly matched. Socialist Party C. Rajagopalachari correctly matched. It's not correctly matched. Congress for Democracy Jagjeevan Ram correctly matched. Swatantra Party Acharya Narendra Dev, it's not correctly matched. So the answer is 2. So there are 2. Bharatiya Janasangh by Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Congress for Democracy Jagjeevan Ram. These are correctly matched. So the option B is correct. Which of the following statements are correct about the Constitution of India? Statements are: powers of municipalities are given in Part 9A of the Constitution. Emergency provisions are given in Part 18 of the Constitution. Provision related to amendment of the constitutions are given in Part 20 of the Constitution. So the options are 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. We know that the Indian Constitution is divided into 25 parts and 12 schedules. It had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules at the time of its commencement. Now it's about 25 parts. So here it's mentioned municipalities are given in part 9A of the Constitution. We need to check is it correct or not. So here it is given different provision and the parts we need to check is it correct or not. So the first one, part 9A of the Indian Constitution deal with the municipalities. It's correct. So more about it. It was added by the 74th Amendment Act of Constitution, and this Amendment Act was introduced in 1992, and it came into force on 1st June 1993. So the article covers in this part are Article 24.3p to 24.3 and this act added a new 12th schedule to the Indian Constitution. So the statement first is correct. Statement power of the municipalities are given in part 9A of the Constitution is correct. Now, part 18 of the Constitution contain provision for emergencies. There are 3 types of emergencies: national, state and financial emergency. So emergency provisions are given in part 18 of the Constitution. That's also correct. Now, the Constitution part 20, Article 368 describes the powers and process of parliamentary amendments. So Parliament may in exercise of its constituent power amend by a way of addition, variation or repeal any provision. That means Parliament can amend any provision of the Constitution in accordance with the procedures laid down in the article. There are certain procedures are described for amendment. So according to the procedure, Parliament can amend any provision of the Constitution. So it's also described in part 20 of the Constitution. So 1, 2, 3. All 3 statements are correct. So the answer is D. 1, 2, 3. So here it's about second part. Now next 2 questions will be discussed in next video. Thank you.